Sometimes all you need is to make some delicious food at the comfort of your home.
Like when you're bored on a Saturday or Sunday afternoon, you can make your peri peri masala chips,
which turn out so awesome, a little bit spicy with a kick of tanginess because we are going to be adding in some ketchup.
Pick 8 to 10 potatoes, peel them, wash them, and cut them into fries.
Then you're going to prep up ahead some onions, coriander. I have some red and green capsicum, a little bit of spices, that is a few. I have some ketchup, salt, and some cooking oil for deep frying the potatoes.
After prepping up, remember to soak your potatoes into cold water for them not to oxidize.
I'm going to help out by picking my bowl. Wait for the potatoes to air dry for around a minute before frying. And at this point, we're going to be placing a frying pan over medium flame with cooking oil. Wait for around 1 minute or so until the cooking oil is ready to fry the potatoes. And once you drop the potato into the cooking oil and you notice that it's floating, the cooking oil is ready.
Scoop a few potatoes and drop them into your cooking.
Carefully, that is.
Just make sure not to fill up your pan, because once you drop your potatoes, you will see the cooking oil raising and it might overflow from your pan.
Also, overcrowding your pan is going to make the potatoes turn out. So the first step is going to be cooking the potatoes halfway. So it's going to take around 1 to 2 minutes. When the potatoes are cooked on the inside, this is how they're going to be looking. As you can see, they're not crispy at all. So you're going to use your skimmer, shake off the excess oil, and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel so that they can drain the rest of the oil. Then you're going to be placing in the next round. When buying potatoes, always go for the fresh potatoes because they're going to give you very awesome fries.
When placing your potato, place them on the side.
And whenever you're making fries, always make sure that your flames are high so that the cooking oil can get hot for the potatoes to get crispy. So we're going to be frying the second round for around 2 to 3 minutes. When your fries are ready, you're going to shake off the excess oil and transfer to the rest. And once done, you're going to wait for around 30 seconds to a minute so that the oil can get very hot, because you're going to be double frying the fries so that you can get very crispy fries.
In the meantime, as we wait for the cooking oil to get hot, we will start to prepare our sauce.
So I'm going to transfer my cooking oil to another burner. So as she's making the sauce, I'm going to add back my potatoes to the cooking oil so that we can crispen up.
Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Put in your chopped onions.
Pick a spatula. And for this recipe, we are using the white onion. You can also use the regular onion, that is the red onion.
Saute your onions until they're soft.
My fries are cooking perfectly. This is how they're looking, and they're getting that nice golden brown color.
Toast your spices as the onions are cooking.
And for the spices, we're using a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of peri peri seasoning. So toasting the spices is going to make them very aromatic. You can catch a very nice smell as they're toasting. My fries are almost ready, so I'm going to use my skimmer and shake off the excess oil, transfer the paper towels once more.
Once your onions have softened, add in some ketchup. and stir it around.
Why are we adding in ketchup to the recipe?
We are adding the ketchup to the recipe because ketchup has the tanginess and the sweetness. The tanginess is because of the vinegar inside it.
Yeah, you can actually smell the vinegar,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
Yeah.
After 45 seconds, add in some of water. After adding the water, stir for it to mix up with the ketchup. Add your seasonings. And mix. After 45 seconds, you can have a taste of your seasoning. Perfectly mixed. For me, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. "20 seconds later, add in your capsicum. And let them cook for about 45 seconds.
Listen to the crunch of the fries, and this is how they're looking. So yum. So we are going to add the fries into the pan after around 20 seconds.
Mix them up and be careful they don't break.
If you notice that your pan is drying out, just reduce the flames to medium low. I love how gorgeous the fries are looking. They're fully coated with the sauce.
Yeah. You can notice how our fries looks. After cooking for around a minute, garnish in your coriander. Stir carefully so that they don't break.
How long are we cooking the masala after adding in the coriander?
For about 20 seconds.
Yeah. Our peri peri masala fries are ready and they're looking so gorgeous.
Let me have a taste of it.
Perfectly seasoned.
Mm-hmm.
Very delicious.
That's right.
A kick of spiciness.
That's right.
And they're so good. I'm also going to be giving the fries a taste. So I'm going to pick some capsicum. Oh yes, so good.
You can make this when you're bored at home. You don't need that big budget for this simple recipe. Can I place the cucumbers in my eyes?
No, you can't. So I will be giving this recipe a try because there's very minimal ingredients.
This is very relaxing. You can have it on a Sunday.
No, this is food. This is food we eat.